Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, we are going to make us delicious pineapple upside down cake. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial video so that you guys can learn how to make a pineapple upside down cake. It's real simple, it's real easy, and it's made with ingredients that most everyone has in their home already. So let's go ahead and let's get into this video. Hey everyone, so the ingredients you are going to need to make a delicious pineapple upside down cake is you will need some granulated sugar, okay? This is $1. You can get it at the Walmart for $1 or the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some brown sugar, light brown sugar, which is $1. You can get that at the Dollar Tree or you can get it at Walmart or your local grocery store, but most places it's $1 for both of these sugars. You will need 2 eggs. You will need some melted butter or margarine. You are going to need some pineapple slices. If you can't find pineapple slices, you still can use the pineapple chunks that are in the can. We're going to use the juice that is in the pineapple can. We are going to use some maraschino cherries. Okay? And this is about $2 at the store as well. Or you can get them for $1 in some places. And you're going to use some self-rising flour. Now, if you do not have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour. And with the all-purpose flour, you're going to add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, you guys? So, go get your ingredients and pause this video while you gather your ingredients and then come back and then we are going to measure out our ingredients. Okay, you guys, so we're going to make the top of the cake, which is going to be at the bottom of the pan. This is why it's called the pineapple upside down cake. The first step you need to do is to measure out your ingredients for the bottom. Here, you're going to have 1/4 cup of melted butter. Okay? So, if you're using the sticks of melted butter or margarine, it does show you on here how many tablespoons would be 1/4 of a cup. And from the end, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to cut 4 tablespoons right here like so to be 1/4 cup of melted butter. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, you're going to place this into your microwave or in a microwave safe dish, or you can put it in a bowl and you can melt it. You can melt it on top of the stove in a pot. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Okay? Now, I'm going to need 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Get you a 1/2 cup measure. The cup measure will have 1/2 cup on your cup. Okay? About 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Okay? Okay. So, we have our 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. And we have our 1/4 cup of melted butter. And we are going to mix this together. Okay? So, go ahead and place your light brown sugar in with your melted butter and begin to stir. Okay? Mix that together very well, okay? Until it is smooth. Mix together until you have a smooth, silky texture. Okay, so get your spatula and spoon everything out into the bottom of the baking dish. Okay. And you're going to smooth it out like so. Okay. take our pineapple slices, okay? So get your pineapple can out. And we are going to place pineapple rings, or if you have pineapple niblets, at the bottom, okay? So I have my can open, and I'm going to place rings like so at the bottom. Okay. That's one. Probably I'm going to be able to get about 4 in the size of the dish that I'm using. Okay. And we have our pineapple rings face down. Now, the next step will be to put your cherries in the middle of your pineapple rings. I had to taste one, you guys. Okay, place your cherry like so. In the middle. Now this is optional. The cherries are. You don't have to have the cherries for your pineapple upside down cake. Trying to get one more cherry out. Okay. So there we go with the top of our pineapple upside down cake. Okay, so our next step is to melt 1 stick of butter or 1/2 cup of butter, or if it's margarine, use the same amount. 1 stick equals 1/2 cup. Okay, or if you have the other kind of butter or margarine, measure it off to 1/2 cup, and we're going to soften this butter. Once again, it goes back into my microwave. Okay. Now, while we are melting our butter, we are going to measure off 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar. Okay, so we're going to use our 1/4 cup measure to do 3/4. We're going to do this 3 times, okay? Some sugar I already got on it, y'all, so measure the sugar off till you get it to 1/4, okay? The reason why I'm doing it over a bowl is so that I get a good even measure. Okay? See how that chunk came out? This is why I'm doing it over a bowl. Okay? So, you get it off like that. Now, I'm going to pour this into my mixing bowl. Sorry, you guys, for that. Because I'm going to put it in my mixer. So, that's 1. That's 1, 2, 3. So that's 3/4 cup. Okay? And we have our melted butter. So what I'm going to do is I am going to mix this together, you guys, until it is smooth and creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my butter in. And we are going to mix this together. Now you can't do this with the whisk. We're going to mix it until it is smooth and creamy. Okay. So now we have that mixed together and it is smooth and creamy. The next step is we're going to add in our 2 eggs. Okay. So we're going to add in our 2 eggs. And by the way, these are medium eggs. You can use medium or large eggs. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to add in 1/2 a cup of pineapple juice from the can. Okay. So I got 1/2 cup of pineapple juice from the can. We're going to pour that in there. 1/2 cup of pineapple juice from the can. The next step is to put in 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. Okay. Okay, here goes in the 1 cup of flour. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have had it pulled back in the first place. Okay. And now I'm going to measure off the 1/3. The 3/4 cups of flour. So that's 1 3/4 cup of flour. Okay. Now we are going to mix everything together inside of our mixer, all of our ingredients, to make a pineapple upside down cake. You're going to mix everything until all the ingredients are creamy and smooth. Smooth and creamy. Have a spatula like I do, like so, and you can do this with the whisk to push the ingredients down in from the side. Everything is mixed together, and you guys see the consistency. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Now I'm gonna get ready to pour this into my baking dish. Okay, so now I'm pouring our pineapple cake batter into the baking dish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We are going to cook this for 30 minutes. Okay, smooth your cake batter out. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. Now I'm going to check my cake. I have a toothpick. We're going to stick it in. And if the toothpick comes out clean, then our cake is ready. Okay, the toothpick is clean. So our pineapple upside down cake is ready. Let me pull it out of the oven. Okay, so now I'm going to show you why it's called the pineapple upside down cake. We're going to get something and we're going to do like this. Get you a bowl, a plate, or whatever that's big enough for you to flip it over. Okay? However, the first thing you need to do, get you a small knife or something to go around the edges to make sure that it's not sticking. Okay? so that you know that it's gonna come out, okay? And so far we can see that this is gonna come out. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Flip it over. Woo. Don't burn yourself. Be careful now. This is why it's called pineapple upside down cake. Voila. Thank you guys for joining Cooking with TK. I hope you guys, if you didn't do the recipe along with us in the video, I hope you do try this recipe.